Hello guys, this is Ben from Crypto Addicts. I'm delighted to see you again for a new video. As you know, blockchain is a great and revolutionary technology. It is about to turn many aspects of our life upside down, and its success is being built day by day, not only with the market and profit opportunities, but also thought as functionality. Also, today I won't talk about the market, but we will talk about the secrets surrounding the blockchain and which contribute its success. Let's go! The blockchain is the structure that supports the basis of the distributed general ledger. Thanks to its entanglement of cryptographic processes, the blockchains allow two individuals without physical contact and without knowing their mutual identity to carry out transactions based on trust. We often talk to you about trading in markets, and you may be expert on the subject, but do you really know the product you are trading, its secret, its internal functioning? Here are the 4 secret principles that constitute the blockchain and that make it successful. The first one, the immutable registry. The registry is the visible part of the blockchain, where you can see all the exchanges of value that are carried out on the blockchain. After verification, all its exchanges are recorded in the form of blocks with a unique timestamp, and all this in a permanent and unmodifiable way. This chronological data string is then recorded by all participants, which makes it impossible to falsify and allow anyone to trace the path of a piece from its creation to its arrival on your wallet. Then, the smart contracts. In addition to the transaction itself, the blockchains contain what are called smart contracts. Smart contracts are intended to provide an element of trust between two people. It is also called a trust third party. These are programs whose sole purpose is to legally bind those who participate in them. To be clear, these are lines of codes written in the Solidity programming language. So the Solidity programming language is the language for Ethereum blockchain. This code is compiled into bytecode and deployed in the blockchain as a smart contract. The introduction of smart contract eliminates the need for a lot of paperwork and complicated rules to understand. It can be said that smart contracts are the digital version and a better version of traditional contracts. Then the confidentiality. Thanks to the different cryptographic processes that make up the blockchain, participant transactions and personal data can be processed separately from each other and thus allow perfect confidentiality. Last point, the consensus verification. Transactions are conducted through market participants who act independently of each other. As a general rule, this only takes a few minutes. So how exactly does this consensus work? First of all, when two participants have reached an agreement, a transaction is triggered. Then a block containing this transaction is created. After that, the block is automatically communicated to all the network members. The transaction is then verified by a group of network members. They are called miners or validators. And then, as soon as the transaction has been verified by a number of networks members, the number required for validation is determined in advance, the block can be inserted into the chain. This creates an immutable and permanent record of the transaction. As you will have understood, the blockchain offers much more than a simple, decentralized and secure payment solution. Since all transactions are fully recorded, you can view the status of any value on it at any time. This is already the end of this video. Feel free to put a blue thumb and subscribe to this channel to be informed of our next video. We will meet next week for a new tutorial. See you soon!